Hi, my name is Kiran, and the topic that I decided to research was sleep deprivation. So, to start, I have a definition of sleep deprivation, which is the situation or condition of suffering from a lack of sleep. In order to create a data set, what I did was conduct a survey for my class sophomore year, and I got 27 responses. Within the survey, I asked the first and main question: how many hours of sleep do you get on a weekday? Next, I asked a follow up question which would help me understand why participants answered the way they did for the first question. And this follow up question was: if you consider yourself sleep deprived, what may be a few reasons for that? So, my first visualization was a pie chart which displayed the responses from the first question, which was: how many hours of sleep were my classmates getting on a weeknight? So when we look at this circle, we can see that the greatest shaded region is the red region, which is 66.7% of the whole, and that corresponds to, on the key, 5 to 7 hours, which means the majority of my classmates were getting 5 to 7 hours of sleep each night. The next greatest region was the blue region. 14.8% of the participants identified that they were getting 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night. Next is 7.4%, which corresponds to 2 to 4 hours of sleep. Then we have these three equally divided sections, which represented one person each, who said either 6 to 8, which was sort of a happy medium between 5 to 7 and 8 to 10. And they said it really depends on the day. The next was 4 to 6 hours, and then the last, the pink section, was I haven't slept in 8 years. This next visualization was also a pie chart, and this was displaying the responses to the second question about the reasons for sleep deprivation. So the majority of students here identified with the green section. This is 44.4% of the participants, and they said yes, they do consider themselves sleep deprived, and the reasons for that would be homework and extracurriculars. The next greatest shaded region would be the 14.8% in purple, which represents those who say yes, they are sleep deprived, and that is due to distractions such as phone, Netflix, food, etc. The next greatest region is the red region, which is 11.1%, and these people said yes, they are sleep deprived, and the main reason for that would be simply homework. The next greatest region is 7.4% in blue, and those people said no, they do not actually consider themselves sleep deprived. Next, we have these 6 regions which didn't completely fit into the data set properly, just because only one person was able to identify with each of these specific regions. And those are my visualizations on sleep deprivation. Thank you.